What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be solving a Rubik's Cube 3x3x3 for your entertainment using Jessica Fridrich technique, a simple technique that's going to guarantee you a solve under a minute. So if you'll give me 5 seconds to look at it, I'll show you how it's done. And here we go. That was definitely under a minute. If you guys like this solve, give me a like, subscribe, and send me video requests on how to solve it, and I'll show you how it's done. Thank you guys. Take it easy.